Stop struggling with messy suitcases and discover the most affordable packing cubes that will revolutionize your 2026 travels.
First up, we have this 5-piece set of large travel cubes designed to keep your suitcase neat and organized. These cubes solve the common problem of clothes shifting and getting wrinkled during transit by creating dedicated compartments for your hats, shoes, and outfits. Made from a lightweight twill polyurethane material, they offer great wear resistance without adding unnecessary weight to your carry-on. The breathable mesh top is a lifesaver when you need to find a specific shirt at a glance without dumping everything out. This set is perfect for budget-conscious travelers who want a simple, effective way to separate clean clothes from dirty ones. Imagine arriving at your weekend getaway and simply lifting these cubes straight into the hotel dresser for instant organization.
Next, at number 2. These compression packing cubes are a total game changer for anyone who tends to overpack. The double zipper compression design allows you to save up to 50% more space, effectively solving the struggle of trying to zip up a bulging suitcase. Crafted from premium nylon twill with a mesh top, these bags are built to withstand the rigors of frequent business trips or long vacations. They significantly reduce garment wrinkles, ensuring you look professional and sharp the moment you unpack at your destination. If you are a carry-on only traveler, this 6-piece set is essential for fitting 2 weeks of clothes into a single small bag. You can pack your heavy sweaters in one cube and use the compression feature to flatten them down to half their original size.
Now for number 3, the Amazon Essentials 4-piece set offers a reliable and versatile solution for organizing your travel gear. These cubes feature reinforced double zipper pulls and finished interior seams, making them durable enough for years of adventure without fraying. The lightweight fabric ensures your luggage stays under the weight limit, while the mesh panels provide instant visibility of your t-shirts and socks. This set is ideal for the minimalist traveler who values high-quality construction and a clean aesthetic that matches any luggage style. Because they are machine washable, you can easily clean them after a dusty camping trip or a long beach vacation. Think of these as the reliable workhorse of your travel kit, keeping your intimates and accessories perfectly sorted through every layover.
Coming in at number 4.
The BAGAIL multi-set offers incredible variety with options ranging from 6 to 10 pieces to fit any suitcase size. These organizers solve the headache of packing for family trips where everyone's clothes often end up mixed together in one giant bag. With various sizes included, you can customize your packing strategy for shoes, jewelry, and bulky outer layers with total ease. These are perfect for organized families or long-term travelers who need a specific protected spot for every single accessory in their luggage. The high-quality material ensures that the zippers won't snag or break even when the cubes are packed to their maximum capacity. You could assign a different size cube to each family member, making it easy to distribute weight and find everyone's gear instantly.
And finally, number 5 is a set of large, lightweight packing cubes that specialize in stress-free travel and security efficiency. These extra-large 17.5-inch cubes are perfect for bulky items like jackets or jeans, preventing them from becoming a tangled, wrinkled mess in your bag. The see-through mesh design is specifically helpful for speeding through airport security checks, as agents can see the contents without rummaging through your personal items. This set is the best choice for travelers who prioritize speed and want to avoid the embarrassment of a messy bag during a random inspection. If your luggage is slightly overweight at the counter, you can easily pull out one cube and carry it separately to avoid those annoying excess baggage fees. They turn a chaotic suitcase into a modular system that makes unpacking at your hotel as simple as moving a few blocks.
Make sure to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on these travel essentials. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest gear reviews and travel tips. Comment below which set you decided to buy, or let us know what product we should review next. See you in the next video, and happy travels.